Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to pay with your Neteller wallet. So now the first thing that I want you to do now is to access to your browser. It can be Google Chrome, Edge or anything, and then you will go to this neteller.com website and accept the cookies or reject them. So let's just reject all the cookies, and basically you will need to join with Neteller. So basically you are going to sign in if you have already an account, so just sign in, or otherwise you can just sign up, and you can do this by adding your personal informations, and then you will need to click on the register. So basically by that you will be able to create account, and after that you will need to log into this account that you have just created and click log in, and then you will need to follow these simple steps. So basically after you log in and create your account, now you will need to have some balance in your account. To do so you will need just to click on money in, and then you will deposit some money to deposit money into your account. After that you will need just to go to some website that accepts the Neteller wallet so you can pay with it. So basically you can go just to the Neteller website and search for merchant directory, and here you will find all the types of the websites or the services. And basically after you click on any service you will find all the companies or any platform that accepts Neteller as payment. After that you will need just to buy whatever you want, and then you will need just to go to any website and buy something from it and choose the payment method as Neteller, and then you will add the informations of your account, and you will have your purchase that has been proceed successfully with Neteller. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.